is, what is this? It's 8:26 a.m. Okay, and we are watching watch me lose my money. But we have two Uber drivers work their way out of ride sharing through day trading. All right. Well, it's supposed to be two, but let's bring my screen up. I'm watching the spy of what's going on. All right. And all right. My strategy goes where the yellow line crosses over the green line, and then that's how I make my money. All right. And Vinny, he'll show up sooner or later. I send him a message. He'll be here. Banks are getting like bought off left and right. It looks like with the news that's going on. But the idea right now that we're trying to do is, since Uber driving or rideshare driving has been a bit of a pain making money because they either hide the money, they take the money, or they just plainly just don't give you rides or close your account. So I'm trying to find my way out of ride sharing through day trading because there ain't nothing else. There ain't nothing else. If I look at the Lyft stock right now, where they at? Look at this. If you look at the Lyft stock right now, let me look at the daily. Come on. Let's go to the daily. Hourly. Daily stock is just tanking. Oh my God, it's at 819. 819. Market's about to, actually, I think market's already opened. Uber. And it's still down. Still down 64 and 31. I mean, you could consider this kind of like, it's been up a little bit lately, but if you work for any one of these companies, or you contract with any one of these companies, it just doesn't look like they're trying to be profitable right now, and they haven't been profitable for a while. So what I am doing is making money in the stock market, trying to profit out of these bad decisions that people are making. And right now we have got some, let me see, futures. Stock futures wave after UBS credit Suisse. Sorry, right there. Stock futures waiver. Okay, Wilson says bank stress signals bear market end. Yeah, sure. Okay. The bank turmoil creates two questions for investors. You know what? It's just basically it's having a ripple effect. The banks, that California bank, what is that? What's the name of that bank? Oh man, but I don't know. SBV, whatever it's called. And all right, bank made some bad decisions. They try to bail out, but the bailout or the money that they give them is not doing any good to bring confidence into the public because people are just still taking their money out. And without people with money in the bank, you don't have a bank. All right, market opened. Ding, 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 ding. Let's go. I got two people watching. Trying to make my way out of ride sharing through day trading. All right. All I do is watch the green. Hold on. Look at this. All I watch is my green line cross over my yellow line, and that's when I make money. But I got some rules. Okay. Rule number one, I have to wait 15 to 30 minutes before I do anything. Because, and by the way, I'm using live money. I'm live money. My account started at about, I was funding my account little by little because I wasn't going to be touching it for a couple of months. But I think I started with about $270 something. I got it up to 303. I've just been taking quick trades, just making 10%, and then that's it. I'm out. I'm in and I'm out. Basically, all I invest is about $100. $100, and then I'm in. I make 10, 20 bucks, and then I'm out. Morning, Richard. That's how I make my money. But yes, I am very, very nervous because that's the only strategy that I know. You know, learning how to put your lines. I mean, if you're beginner, if you're new to like trading and stuff, there are these little lines that we draw on them every day. I erase them. You're supposed to keep them on there for future reference. But for me, because it's a learning process, what I do is I erase all my lines and I put them up again. Hold on, let me see if I still have them in there. Yep, I took all my lines off. And I start at the daily. I draw my lines of possible support and resistance. And then people in the chat kind of correct me. Hey, it's like, you got something right here. No. Let's draw some lines here. I like this one because I hit it here and I hit it again right here. And it looks like it's about to, well, let's see where it goes. Let's see where it goes. Okay, that's for my daily. Let's look at my hourly. There is this little uptrend that I see that's going on. See it? Oh, yeah. And I have this zone right here that I put in there. And it looks like we're heading right to it. Let's see what happens. Okay, now let's go down to my 15 minutes. Now I do my trades in between my 2 minute. Hold on, I need my 3 minutes. 2 minute, 3 minute, okay, and 5 minutes. So if in my 2 minutes, if my 2 minutes, my line is crossing, 3 minutes, my green line is crossing, all right, on my 3, and then on my 5, it looks like it's about to cross my green line over the yellow line, then I go ahead and take the trade. And I basically get in $100 and get about 10%, 15%, maybe 20, and then I'm out. And I try to do that at least once. Oh, look at this. Dumping. Let me pull up my other charts. I am still in the learning process. So Richard, hey Richard, you got any news besides these banks? These guys trying to bail these banks out, but it's just like it's not doing anything. Ripple effect. I think they're trying to take eyes off of what's going on with the banks by trying to do the arrest on Trump for Tuesday. Either that or the scandal, what's going on with the Biden family. So I don't know if it has, but I don't understand how this bank failure is not like a big deal. Then, well, it's not that it's not a big deal. It's just not advertising. They're not, talking about it as much. And there is no news for today. Today is Monday the 20th. Nothing scheduled. We just got existing home sales for tomorrow. All right, let's make this money. West is usually in here. Oh, see that? I keep forgetting. Let's do this mark yesterday's high. And low. And let's do the open right here. All right, what time is it? It's 8:40. I got 5 more minutes before I could do any trade. Absolutely no trading. The Dom effect. Doing the Dom effect. Yeah, it's a little chilly here. Yesterday our temperature went up, but it is 44. It's cold. It's 44. It's going to be a high of 55, 56. Supposed to be warm right now. Bad weather. Bad weather. And when I moved here, I was staying away from cold weather. But it was snowing by the time I got here. And I came here straight from Puerto Rico, and I didn't bring a jacket. So I had to deal with 30-degree weather for a while. Oh, this pre-market. Come on, Reggie. Ooh, could this be today's low? See, I'm also keeping an eye on Amazon, Apple, and Nvidia. I'm still tired. Still tired. Didn't even make that much money last week with Ridesharing. I think I made like 1,700 bucks. That damn stomachache really just got me good. All right, come on, market. I need the market to do something so I can make my quick couple of bucks, and then I am out. Oh, what's going on? All right, here we go. Let me see. U.S. stock futures wobble ahead of the opening bell on Monday morning, following USB deals to buy smaller rival Credit Suisse in the bid to avoid further market shaking turmoil in global banking. They're going to try to get bailed. You believe it? And I heard the deal was like, it was like in the company was worth like 8 billion something, and they bought it for like 2 billion. I mean, it was a deal of a lifetime. UBS struck a deal to purchase the troubled Credit Suisse. So I hear, so Credit Suisse is from another country. So, and then they don't want to be bought, they don't want to be ran and owned by a US. BKK, you know what? Let's look at some of these tickers. Maybe there's a good opportunity to make money. Where are we going? Okay, let's go. Oh my God, it's down. This is Credit Suisse. It's where it's at right now. $1. Oh, look at this dump. Down to 80 cents. All right, let me see what we got. Let's look at UBS. So UBS bought Credit Suisse. Bank sentiment has rebounded with the KBW Bank Index looking to move lower Monday. Ooh, see that you know BKX. No. I wonder if these banks are going to affect Uber and Lyft. Maybe they have some dealings with them. I mean, what would happen if you bust your butt working and next thing you know, you don't get paid because Uber and Lyft have been dealing with one of these banks? Damn. You did 14? Hold on. Did I get this right, Rich? You did about 14 last week, 100? With only 5 rides? I don't know, but I'm looking at the last week should have been a good week for me. The South by Southwest. But the beginning of the I mean, I was doing good, but it's just I got hit hard with that stomach ache. It was killing me for a couple of days. After it was gone, it was still hurting me. Including First Bank. Let me see. So we have a BKX. Oh yeah, BKX. BKX, which is what is it? Yep, this is okay. So what is this? So BKX is a bank sentiment. Okay, this is the bank index. Yeah, Bank of America, JP Morgan, and Wells Fargo, Citigroup, they're all traded higher. So it looks like the business that all these guys are losing is going to these major banks. Let me see. First Bank, other regional stock sank. Okay, these are other banks that have actually gone down, which is hold on, let me put this up. Other regional banks, let me see, FRC and S&P Global Ratings downgraded FRC, wow, to the second time in 4 days. The bank's credit rating moved 3 notches downward to a B+. PacWest Bancorp and Zions Bank Corporation, Zion, Western Alliance Bank Corporation, WAL, and Regions Financial all traded up on Monday morning. Let me see, separate signatures banks deposits have found a buyer. Flagstar Bank, a subsidiary of a New York community bank, oh yeah, bought the majority of deposits and some loan portfolio of the failed crypto lender. Man, these banks are just, it's having a rip with one bank cost all this. One bank. Let's see, what banks are also going down? Let me take a look at this. Damn, Richard, man, you gotta take a picture of that and you gotta send it to us so we can, if you can talk about it on Wednesday on the Rideshare Garage. Oh, that'll be something. Things like that don't happen often. They should, but they don't. Was this through the apps or were these all private? CS. Come on, peoples. Come on, peoples. Man, our stocks are moving right now. Don't care. This is the market heat map. Everything is green. Everything is green for today. Renewables, energies, constructions, green, investment, consumer, banking services. There's something wrong here. I don't know what's going on. Oh, I like this. I like this right here. There is some price action. Where is my, let me see if I can get a add a widget. Let me see a level 2. Where's my level 2? I think this will be it. You know what? No. Level 2. Hold on. Let me get level 2 and times and cells. Right here. $392, $391. These are all orders that are going through, by the way. Well, not for some of you guys. Yeah, that's really good. That's really good, Richard, man. Private rides is the only way to go. My 200 is showing upward momentum. Oh, man. We got a SPY option here already. No. Let's do it this way. Yeah. That's I'm gonna get about. Okay, here's my SPY options. 0 days. Let me get like a 2-day out. Make sure that I get a nice, but $100 with some volume. Where's my volume? There we go. Move this thing right here. Let me take out my last. Done. Save it again, just in case. No. Damn, the only ones with good volume are the really expensive ones. This is the SPY. I need a, yeah. I need to add one more widget, which is going to be my, would it be my orders? Yes, right here. This goes right here. There we go. So these are my working order, and once it fills, it goes right into this one. Let's save this. Now let's go back to my options. Good morning, Wes. Good morning, Wes. I'm just trying to find some options here, Wes. Having a little bit of trouble. I cannot focus. I cannot focus. That's my call. I'm going to grab my put just in case. All right, here's my break to the upside. Technically, I missed this, so I'm gonna wait for a pullback before I get back in it. I just need some red candles, pulling back before I jump in my trade. And I'm gonna go active a trader. And I'm gonna set up a, this is by my ask, so I'm gonna go to my ask, stop loss. I'm just looking for that pullback before I get in it. I was looking for this. This was my first pullback, and I'm looking for my second one for continuation. See, this would have been nice. I was trying to take this one, but too late with my setup. Too late with my setup. Who's calling me? Hey, I'm in the market, bro. You know, I'm playing the market at 8 o'clock. I just did a nice little pullback. Oh, look at that. To the 90 EMA. Hold on. Call. I'm going to buy it. Okay, there we go. I am in. It wicked right off my 9 EMA. All right, I'm expecting continuation. I'm going to grab my 10% plus and then go. It cost me about $81. Like this. Times and cells a little bit down here. This is my option. It's my option right here. I just needed to break to that upside. I grabbed my 10% and I am out. No, it's turning against me and I just want to go. Let me see if it wicks just like in this one, just like if it wicks just like that one did. Damn, I was up 6%. Now I'm down. Nope, don't like it. Don't like it already. Well, that's the 1 minute, 2 minute. 2 minute. We got momentum to the upside. 3 minute. I get momentum to the upside. Okay, and then on my 5, I still got momentum to the upside. I don't see anything getting in my way. Ugh, it sucks. He's playing against me, playing against me. Okay, I got out of the order for a loss of, what is that? I might get back in it. I just needed to turn around. It did wick right off of the VWAP, so. Hey Richard, how'd you figure out how much you're pricing for the day? Would you get your how'd you base your prices? I've been trying to do that here, but pricing my rides, it's a bit of a pain because I can't take a look at other what other people are charging. Damn, for the whole day. See, he's bouncing off the VWAP right here. If this starts turning green, then I'll get in it again. My option will be cheaper though. My option's still cheap. My option's still cheap. Let me see, $72 for my option. I don't want to change it. There we go. It's bouncing off. Continuation. Let's try this baby out. Okay, I'm going to buy a call here. Nope, nope, nope. There we go. So my order just went in. 10% loss, right? Sell at 66. I have a stop, hold on. Purchase price of 73 and a stop at 66. It's 74 right now. I should see continuation, right? Oh my God, I hate this. Oh, 10%. Okay, so I have it at 10%. I'm gonna put everything else at 10%. Let me increase it a little bit more, my 10%. So I want to be right down here. Okay. Yeah, there we go. So as it keeps going up, I'm going to move my stop. Yeah, $39 an hour. Okay. Yeah, the Tesla, I'm telling you, Uber has given me nothing. Again, my rating, I think I'm like a blue diamond on Uber. So I'll be sticking with Lyft a lot, because Lyft is just, they're surging all over the place. But I'm assuming it's because of my status. So, you know, I have good status now with Lyft and now with Uber, because Uber just doesn't give me anything. What's my loss here? I have a little bit over 10% of a loss here if this doesn't keep it going to the upward direction. So while I'm in it, it's not moving. So my SPY option is not moving up in my direction. So I'm just going to hold on to it. Yep, it's going to sell. Is it going to sell? It's going to hit it. It's going to hit it. Yep. I'm out of my option. Maybe it is just changing direction. Oh, and you do that. Hi, Kiki. That's with a Tesla. I think with the SUV, maybe I should like charge him more. Where's my point? See, Apple looks like it's coming down. Amazon looks like it's coming down. Maybe I missed something here. Damn, why only 39 hours? Wes, man, you could have, if you would have done 60, man. That's why I always say like $2,000 a week is like 60 plus hours. It is cold. Cold. All right, here we go. Green line crossing over the yellow line. Let's see if it does it now. MA style like this. Let me do a big thick line here. A little reddish. Like right there. Yeah. Also, this is my 200 MA. And this is my 200 EMA. I still show upward momentum. Wow, this is strange. I figured my 200 mm will be a totally different spot. What's TradingView say? Yeah, Kiki, by the way, I'm looking to see if my little 2 deposits by Etsy to get my still in that cup that I just made. But again, I'm going off, you know, I got to do a chat GPT. I keep finding the niches, but I'm still getting like jewelry as my first niche on the chat GPT on Etsy, you know. Let's do this higher high. Where you have to limit yourself when it comes to how much money you make when it comes to a bankruptcy. I didn't know that. I didn't know that. Okay, let's do this again. I'm gonna buy my I'm gonna get into my option. Okay, there we go. I made my option 10% loss. I'm expecting continuation again. I got my 10% loss on it, so I'm expecting to go to 392. All right, and then cost me like $74 for this option. Make me mad. Yeah, yeah. I put in, it keeps giving me that particular order of jewelry, and I was like, damn. I was like, I'm not looking for jewelry. I just not only if there's a way to look for it that is what if it's selling, if Etsy like what specific niche is at that moment in time, you know. I don't like it already. Look, I don't like it already. Okay, yep, I'm in my call 392 next day. It should be next day. Nice. Nice, Richard. Let me see, I got a higher high. Damn it. I need to let my order run. Basically, this is my stop. This is where I believe is going to get to my zone over here. But this is my stop right here. So where are you, TradingView? It's really making me so frustrated. I'm going to stick to my rule, SPY. Okay, now. This is what I'm trying to do, guys. I don't know. Correct me if I'm wrong. You know, I got my upward momentum. I got into my trade at 74. So basically, stop, profit. So 31% loss for possibility of a 40% profit. So that's what I'm trying to do. Where is it? Where is the price that I actually got in? Wait, I got about 71, so somewhere around here. 390, 397. what I want to get to. I want to get to my profit. What is this? This is 394.41. Yep, 393. Yeah, go. Let me share this screen with you guys so you guys can judge me on my there you go. See? Profit, loss. On my chart right here, let me see. This is yesterday's high of, what is this? Yep, 394.41, 394.41, 394.41, 393. Hold on, let me move this really up. 394. $394.41. Once I start getting close to this, then that's when I look at my start taking profits on the way up. So this puts me at a 59% to 31%, lose 31%, make 59. But let's see. I need to write down here, I just messed up. I just got higher highs off the 200. It's above my VWAP. And as maybe Vinny do. I'm freaking nervous. Look at this. I'm nervous. I'm shaking. No, I think it's cold. Hey. See, there you go. Just gotta sit here and wait. You know, by the way, I haven't had any issues with Uber and Lyft paying on time with you know, with the banks and stuff. I don't know if anybody have had any difference, let alone my my local bank. Beyond last week, I've made, it's a mess up, not even 2,000, by the way. It was, I think it was like 16 something. 1641, that's how much I made. Me feeling like Doodle really affected. But again, you know, I was being really lazy with it. I was not working the AMs as much. Remember, I work the AMs and then I take off to do this. But I'm working a lot less. That's the idea. Vinny says internet's down. His internet is down. It's okay, Vinny. I got you. I got you, bros. Even Kiki's looking for you. Damn, see, are you here in you were working the South by Southwest? Come on, Reggie. Come on, you gotta go. I need this thing to move in my direction, not in the opposite direction. You need to go up, up, up. Where the hell is Gonzalez? The hell is Gonzalez? That's in Texas? What the hell is this? Holy. Dude, that's not like, that's San Antonio. East of San Antonio. You made that much money down there in San Antonio, Gonzalez? This is Yoli Gonzalez. Hold on, where's Lockhart? Yeah, I see Lockhart right here. Okay. Wow, that's really far down there. How the hell do you make that much? I always thought Austin was like the spot. Is that like a something going on in that town that I don't know about? Yeah, no, I have to admit, this week I could have made a lot more, but my work schedule. I haven't been waking up early, like today. I want to do this. I'm trying to focus on this. So I'm always going over my charts and going over my mistakes that I made, the trades that I've made, and I go over them and stuff. I watch some videos, but I'll be really trying to focus on this, so I don't hit the road as hard as I did last time with the Tesla. The Tesla, you can beat the Tesla to death, man. And that thing just won't break down. I was going through a lot of tires though. I was going through a lot of tires. See, when I'm looking at my let me see what's going on with my Uber. What I want to know is how did I do? Weekly summary. Yeah. Monday, I did nothing with Uber. And it was just, see my weekly breakdown. But I don't know, I'm looking at my weekly. Monday, so bad with Uber. I didn't really do that much with Uber. Everything has been Lyft. I mean, I made $562 with Lyft and $1,000 what? Hold on. $1,084.79 with Lyft. So I've been favored more by Lyft. I've been trying to multi-app. Because it's the only thing that's going on. This morning it was actually surging until about 7 o'clock. Surging big time. I'm assuming it's people leaving the South by Southwest. So, but I don't know. You have to show me, CC, what you're doing. What kind of car you drive, your hours, okay, and little strategies that you use. But the thing is, I got an SUV. If I had my Tesla, I'd be doing deliveries also. Because I didn't even hit my quest. I was like 10 to hit my quest for Uber, and I never got to it. It was dead. Oh, look at that. Uber is surging. $13, $5.50. But I really, really want to do this. Because I need to find my way out of ride sharing. Prius. Yeah, hey, not unless that's what Uber is doing, where they're favoring all these eco-friendly cars, electric hybrids. It seems to me that's what they're doing. Because ever since I got the truck, they haven't been favoring me at all. Like nothing. They've been giving me like really bad rides, like rides I can't take because of the truck. So, I mean, a lot of these rides were like really under $1, really under $1. Today is just not my day. Looks like we are consolidating. Not liking how this looks. I still have my call option here. I'm just not too fond of this. this. Hit a top here, at least here it hit it, it came down and it came right above it. That's what I was expecting. It came back and came right above it here. It came down, it came to it, but it never, it never passed it. So I just see that it's just going to be downtrending from here. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to take my loss. Let me see, it's at the bottom of my channel. But I was really expecting it to come here, pull back, go above it, come back, continuation. But it's not doing that. It's not doing that at all. It just feels like a double top right here. Here, here, and it's just going to reverse. Three minute, let me do the 1 minute. Yeah, see, I just feel like it feels like it double topped. Top right here, and now it's just turning around the other way. I don't need, do I have a chance to maybe do one more option? See on my options. On my option here. Higher high, higher high, higher high. Okay. I'm getting the same thing with, with my option. Higher high, higher high, but it's just this double top right here. It's just got me a little skeptical. Let's see if let's see if it turns around and it goes right back up and it goes past this high here of 392.68, right? 392.68, and it closes above it. Just keep getting the continuation. Here it comes. Come on, you gotta get above that line. You gotta get above this line. Hold on, let me set it up right. There we go. Damn it, I don't get those. I don't get those. Was offered a $38 hour for a 36-minute ride with a $20 surge. Yeah. That's really good. That's really awesome for you. I don't get those anymore. I do not get those anymore. Yeah, look at this. This is the 1 minute. This is the 2 minute. If it hits it 3 times in a row, I really want it to pop from here. $392.65, 67. There it goes. There it goes. Whoa, just broke. Ah, man. It's like everything is just... Okay, now I'm expecting continuation, okay, to the upside. Again, 394.41. I just needed to keep going. But look at that. It's coming right back down. This is the 1 minute. Yep, no, this is the 1 minute. Big candle going up and another one right back down. All right, I'm gonna sell this. I don't really think, I just don't see it. Yeah, I've been thinking about doing something like that. Getting the Prius. I sold my option, by the way. It just popped and then nothing. It could continue, but still. I just want to see what my buying power is. Well, trying to see how much money I have left to trade. What? Oh, $75. Yeah, nothing. Not unless it's this. It is better right there. Nothing. Oh yeah, I seen that I seen that little, I forgot what it was called, the self-driving for other cars and stuff, which is like $2,000, and I think I got it from you. You sent it to me and I actually looked at it. Pretty interesting. Pretty interesting. I don't know. I'm watching this taking back off again. Ah, man, maybe I should have just held it a little longer. But I don't know. I pretty much. I think I'm just. I feel like I'm done. Feels like I'm done. Let me see. Would it be there? Okay, let's see what happens here. This is my last try. I took one more Open Pilot. That's right, Open Pilot. Yeah, I looked at it and they were comparing it. The damn thing drives like on its own, and you know it's a lot cheaper than the Tesla. But yeah, you know, I don't know. I really want to. It's just that I driven a every time I used to rent a car, it used to always be a Prius, and you know, but I was never too fond of the Prius. How it ran, how it handled, just slow, really slow. I think maybe they changed up with the new one, but I don't know what, you know, the new ones just came out too, and I'm still in the market to buy a new car. But again, this is just, I mean, really pushing it. What time is it? It's 9:50. It's gonna be 10. Oh, it's gonna be 11 o'clock. It is going to be 11 o'clock. It doesn't work on the 2023. No, I even heard that somebody bought up a couple of Priuses and rents them out. Yeah, to make some good money on them. By the way, I'm technically in a, I think it's like a $50 put. I got my stop on it, 10% stop on it right here. Continuation up to my level again. I should have stuck to my original strategy, which was, you know, I got my cross to the upside. This was my stop. My original stop was down here. You know, and then just let it ride. Too impatient. It is technically coming out of my zone right here. Let's see where it goes. Today is just you know what's because Vinny's not here. That's why Vinny's not here. Vinny says internet was down, so is this my third trade for the day? I think this is my third trade for the day. All right, there it goes. I just needed to keep going, maybe hit my zone, get really close to it. I'm up 31. I'm trying to use my Streamdeck also. Eight. What's going on? I sold my option. Well, that one sold for a profit. I should have held on to my last one. I would have been up. But there we go. My 303 account is down to $286. Can't trade anymore. See, I should have just bought it and held on to it. Pull back to the beginning of the channel. Came up, back down to the beginning of the channel, did it again. And I was up, I was down here. I was in down here. And I should have just held on to it. I saw this pullback right here, and it's just, I don't know. I sissied out. All right. It is it's 11 o'clock Eastern, 10. Done trading for today. There we go. Live trading account. Only turned, hold on, where is it? My account today is down. It is a 200, I think it was 303, 303 or 306, something like that. Okay, and I am down. I'm down 6% on my account, or 18.87% today for today. Damn. How many trades? I did 8 trades. So I did 4 trades, buy, sell. So that's how many orders filled. So I did 4 trades. I did, and look at this, it's taking back off. But I'm done for today. I need to learn how to just grab it and hold on to it. Because this would have been my profit. About over here or about here, which would have been the top of the channel. And if it reaches that, then I would have reached my goal for today. All right, need to get back to work. So all my Apple puts 157, 158. What? Spy puts. Oh, if Apple breaks. Yeah, no, I just kind of saw just upward momentum. But I have this no, it's, you know what? It's not FOMO. It's selling too early. I'm selling too early, and I never stuck to my plan. Again, I have my cross. My 9 EMA above. All my lines are showing signs of upward momentum, including my and I kept seeing higher highs, higher lows. No, higher lows. So low here, and then the lows higher, higher. I saw continuation to the upside. And I bought it. I was in somewhere around here. Okay, I was up for the day. It came back, and I just kind of sold. I need to hold on to it. I should have held on the 15 minutes. Look at the 15-minute. A bullish flag? I don't know. I'm trying to see it. Oh, you're talking about you're talking about this right here? Bullish flag. So it's kind of like this. And like this. Like right here. Bullish flag on the 15-minute. I saw it's just overall, I saw upward momentum. Yeah. Big time. Big time W pattern. But the thing is, I don't know. I think there's something West that's going on with me where, I should just back off the trade, put my stop, and just let it play out. Just put my stop and let it play out. The thing is that when it comes to putting a stop with the SPY, when I put a stop on it, I'm basing my stop based on this, on the chart, on the price of the option. So if I put my stop down here, usually a reverse, going against me, it's like really comes right down there again. That's why usually when I put my stop in there, I whiten it. I whiten the stop out a little bit to try to match the stop price over here. But I wish I could just I wish I could get this, my SPY option, my stop loss, it will show up over here. Like, where would the price need to go to for it to hit my stop? Because here it just doesn't match up. See, but look, it came down this much, and look at this. Looks like it's curling. All right, it's 11 a.m. It's 11 a.m. It's 11 a.m. Yeah. Up, down, W. Talking about this. This is what I was looking at too. This right here, this hit the top, and it hit the top and it came back down. I thought it was just going to reverse from here, but I kept seeing this upward momentum, so that's why I held on to my option a little bit. But it's just right here, like it blew above this, but it came right back under it again. So I thought that was like a fake out. So I missed out. Profit. I don't know. Nice. Yeah. Oh, yeah. And by the way, Richard, Lyft has been really hooking me up. I mean, like really hooking me up, and over almost $2 per ride. They've been giving me rides consistently. Yesterday, last night, everything just died. It just died, and it was a bit of a pain getting rides so I could assume the Quest on Uber, and I had on X. I was doing regular rides with X. I almost did deliveries with Uber, but I didn't want to. I just thought that maybe I should have, but no. But yeah, today's gonna be this week is gonna be a new week. I'm feeling like a lot better. Today I didn't wake up early, because I was up last night till 12, charting and looking at my charts and reviewing some of the stuff that I need to do for today. So, all right, here we go. All right, this is it. Done for today. Yep. I should have done a couple of deliveries. I should have. Because the bonus would have been worth it. It would have been almost a $200 bonus and all I needed to do was 10 deliveries. But just, I don't know. I think I lost my mojo. All right, but I'm done. I'm done for today. We're gonna be back tomorrow. All right. 2 Uber drivers. Well, 1 and the invisible other Uber driver. All right. Trying to find a way out of ride sharing through day trading. So let's keep making this money, and I'm going back to work. All right. I'll see you guys tomorrow. Peace. Shut down for what? I don't have that song for my damn Streamdeck. I need to get it. Peace.